A powerful tornado and hailstorms have killed scores of people and injured hundreds in China's Jiangsu province. Hail as big as ping-pong balls wreaked havoc in the region, leaving large areas resembling a war zone. Jong-hong has the details.
The intense weather in Jiangsu province caused a high number of casualties, leaving nearly 80 people dead and some 500 injured. The hail came down so hard that it left gaping holes in the ground. A tornado, said to be the most powerful in 40 years, also ripped through the province in eastern China. After Mother Nature was done, much of the region looked like a conflict zone, as factories and buildings were flattened, roofs of homes were ripped off, and cars were overturned. The tornado and hailstorms raged on for more than 4 hours. China's official Xinhua news agency said winds of 125 kilometers an hour battered several towns in Funing County. Communication and power have been cut off. Leading up to the latest havoc in the country's central to southern region, torrential rains that started last week had already claimed some 30 lives and left more than 20 missing. Jong-hong, Arirang News.